So welcome to this session. This lesson, if you will, is on the power of focus. It's vitally important to understand that focus has two aspects: what you're focusing on and who is doing the focusing. As we've talked in the different sessions, the subconscious mind is usually the one that is in charge and in control. Oftentimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. When it doesn't work, we want to be aware that the subconscious wants to hang on to old beliefs and old behaviors, which are not always in our best interest. In those cases, we want to be able to wake up in that moment to the best of our ability and to change that focus so that it's the healthy you that is in the moment, that is in the now, and what you're focusing on is the positive aspects: feeling happier, being healthier, more successful, empowered, free to be the person you want to be. We begin to focus by being first self-aware, and the power of our focus puts our mind and our energy upon what it is we do want. And in this state, we're simply helping all the subconscious reprogramming, the new thoughts, the beliefs, the behaviors that are inside of you to come forth, to be the person that you're meant to be. Because we want your healthy subconscious mind to be the one that's in charge and not the old unhealthy conditioned mind. Now remember, the conditioned mind, it's not bad. It's just programmed the way it is. And it's been programmed by a lot of negativity, by a lot of people that really didn't have our best interests in mind and all the rest. So it's wounded, and it doesn't have the big picture accurately in place. So what we want you to do is have your healthy subconscious take over, remembering that in the beginning at this stage, maybe you're like 5 or 6 years old compared to your old subconscious parent. We want you to continue to grow up the healthy you so that that part begins to take charge. And what you focus on, you tend to recreate and become. So be aware of what you are focusing on. If you find yourself focusing on the doubts, the worries, the concerns, all the anxieties, all the past, all the fears, you need to be awake and aware in that moment and say, you know what, until now, this is what I focused on, but now I am focusing my attention on what I do want. Put your energy there so that we're no longer giving energy toward the old, toward the issue, the problem. We're focusing on the solution, because nothing else matters except what you do from this moment onward. And from this moment onward, I'd like you to practice focusing on how you want to be, how you want to look, how you want to feel, putting you in charge once again, day by day, step by step. This is how we heal the past and achieve those healthy goals. So use the power of focus and allow yourself to continue to move forward in the direction of your dreams.